What is goody, y'all? It's your girl Aoife K, and I'm back at it one more again. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Aoife K, and I love any and everything dealing with beauty. And if you like those things too, then I hope you'll consider becoming a part of the fam and clicking that red subscribe button. And to all of my A1 since day one, what it do, boo? So today, y'all, I just want to let y'all know that you're gonna see me in this get up, right, that I have one today, and also previous footage. So long story short, I had an incident occur at my house. Things are a little smoother now. So I came back to finish filming. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Anyway, so today's video comes from a company on Amazon, and they were kind enough to send me a human hair unit. The name of the company is Abilene. As usual, per usual, I will leave all of Abilene's information down below in the description box. The wig is a 4x4 16-inch body wave hair, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. It came in the color natural black. So what I did, I bleached the knots. Let me show y'all. I tortured these knots. It's not too bad, but you can see. And I forgot to put toner on the hair. Like, I forgot all the basics of bleaching knots. Yeah, so I'm going to take my Kaposi flat iron, and I'm going to do something with it. If you are interested in this unit that I am rocking today, her name is Miss India. Yes. I will link it in the big eye in the sky up here. So if you're interested, you can definitely go check out Miss India. But please do wait till the end of this video. Anyway, I'm gonna curl my babe up real quick, and I'll be back. Get into the details of what I just went through to get this style on this wig. So first and foremost, I have to give Abilene all kind of props for their presentation. I appreciated the red satin bag. I mean, baby, ain't too many companies out there presenting wigs in nice satin bags. That's kudos. The wig that they sent me, the density is nice and it's light, which is perfect for me in this summer heat down here in Alabama. It's burning up. So I like the length on the wig. Minimal shedding, minimal tangling. My biggest issue, or I will say the biggest con for me, other than it's not completely big head friendly, I had to put on my wig grip and I had to put the combs in my hair, which I never do, but I did that so it'll feel secure. And that's why I laid the lace down, because I just felt like it was gonna move. Straight out of the bag. It did have a small, odor or whatever, but I found that to be common with most human hair wigs. They have a human hair wig smell. I don't know. I just open the bag up and let it air out, you know what I'm saying? And then I wash it and it takes the smell away. So yeah, that's what I did with this wig. Like I said, I bleached the knots and I kind of over bleached it. Bleached them in certain areas and it came out kind of orangey because I didn't use shimmer light. So I did not I did not do that. I forgot that part. But I think the wig came out really, really nice. I'm happy with the results. I think it's really cute. I just went through with my flat iron and just put a couple of curls in the hair, throughout the hair. Your girl likes vavoom. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, the big hair don't care where. What? Yes, give me big hair. A couple of other things that stood out to me was that the frontal. I love that it was only this much lace to cut in the 4x4. The only thing is the tracks stick out. If y'all can see that, that's tracks right there. I did cut off a little bit of the tracks right there so it wouldn't be too noticeable. The hairline is not pre-plucked, but it did include baby hairs, which I combed back and I kind of created my own, as you saw. If I have to average all the pros and the cons, I say I'll give this wig probably about a 7 out of 10. But it's a cool wig. I think it's a cool wig. And then you have all this part in space right here. I tried to show y'all some of the part in space earlier, but basically from where I showed you guys these tracks are, from right here to right here and all the way up in here, you can part it however you like. Okay, so for this wig and this length, it is $63.99 plus tax. So I'll leave all the information down below in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing the wig, or if you're interested in seeing what else Abilene Hair has to offer. They have a store on Amazon, so I'm gonna leave all the information down below. If it's anything that I missed that I didn't show you guys, please leave a comment. Let me know. I will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Let me give you guys just a real quick 360. I kind of showed you the length of it in the back. I really, really am digging the density. Yeah, I like the density of this wig a lot. It's so hot down here where I live. So if I'm gonna wear any kind of wig, I need it to be one that does not have a whole lot of hair in it. Yeah. So anyway, that's it. I love you guys. I pray God continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and bring y'all back to me for the next video. Y'all be safe out there. I love y'all.